Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9335XX. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Siren red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote still in the box. Rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 24,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Traverse, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.